Good morning everyone. Welcome to SMP Negeri 18 Muara Jambi. Let's get to know this school with its environment and how the learning process is happening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to explain a little of English topic in chapter 1 of the 9th grade. The first, this topic discuss how to express hope and wish to others. And the second is about how to congratulate others on their fortune and achievement. Sebelum memulai pembelajaran, saya akan menjelaskan mengenai tujuan pembelajaran hari ini yang bertemakan expressing hope or wish and congratulation. Tujuan pembelajaran ini adalah siswa dapat memahami penggunaan dari ekspresi asking and giving hope and wish, serta dapat memahami ekspresi congratulation dan juga dapat mengaplikasikan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. So, today I'm gonna explain to you about chapter 1. The title of this chapter is Congratulation. In this chapter, divided into two topics. Okay, let's start from how to congratulate other. Before you know how to congratulate other, you must know what is congratulation. Congratulation adalah ucapan selamat yang ditujukan kepada seorang atas prestasi dan kebahagiaan yang diraihnya. Next, how to express hope or wish. What is hope or wish? Hope or wish adalah ungkapan atau ucapan seseorang yang menunjukkan doa, harapan, dan keinginan terhadap orang lain supaya lebih baik dan terkabul cita-cita atau yang menjadi harapannya. This is example of how to congratulate and how to express hope and wish. We can use this sentence to congratulate other and to express hope and wish. Okay, let's see the video.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about expression of congratulations, hopes, and wishes. For the first part, it is about expression of congratulations. If you want to congratulate someone, you can use various expressions as written on the board. For the example, you can take a look at this following conversation. Hey! I want to tell you good news. Really? What's that? I win a singing contest. Seriously? Congratulations! You deserve it. Oh, it's very good of you to say so. For the next part, we're going to talk about expression of hopes. These are the common expressions that can be used. For further understanding, let's take a look at the following dialogue.
Hello Anna, will you come to Bella's house tonight?
I'm afraid I can't. My father is sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, and I hope your father gets better as soon as possible.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Anna.
The last part is about expressing wishes. These three examples can be used to express your wishes. Let's see the following conversation for further understanding. What's going on? You look so sad.
Nothing.
Tell me, I know that you're having a problem.
My laptop is broken.
Oh my god, I wish it can be fixed soon.
Thanks.
No worries. So, in this video, we have learned about the expression of congratulations, hopes, and wishes. Thank you for watching.
Hi Andre, hi Fiona. As you know that, our teacher has already explained how to use sentences to congratulate and give hope and wish to someone. Let's practice by inserting a few congratulatory sentences and then a few sentences to show hope and wish.
Yes, with my pleasure.
Andre, I heard you won the English debate contest yesterday. Wow! Congratulations for what you have achieved. I hope I can also be like you. Congratulations, Andre. It's so awesome. Wish you could develop your abilities within the competition.
Thank you guys. Wish you might develop your talents. I believe on you. What is your opinion, ma'am? Is our dialogue correct?
In brief, that is a short video in terms of learning that I can show to you. In this case, I can say that students are able to foster their self-confidence in the social scope and they are able to apply that learning in daily life. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.